Hi everyone, I hope you're having a wonderful week in virtual school. Today I'm going to give you your spelling lesson. So your jobs are to watch this video, review the information from this video on slides 3 and 4, and then you can complete slides 3 through 6 or pages 54 and 55 in your Spelling Station book. Please don't forget to attach your work as a picture if you choose to do it in your Spelling Station book, and turn in the assignment on Google Classroom when you finish. We've learned about many vowel teams throughout the year. Remember, a vowel team is when two vowels, A, E, I, O, U, and sometimes Y, stick together to make one sound. Let's review the vowel teams now. AI and AY are vowel teams that both make the long sound A. Some other vowel teams we have learned are EE, EA, and EY that make the long E sound, E. OI and OY make the sound OI. OA and OE make the long O sound, O. OW is a vowel team that makes the sound OW. OU is a vowel team that can make the sound ow or oo. OO is a vowel team that can make the long sound oo like in school, or the short sound like in book. The vowel teams UE and EU make the sounds oo and u. Today we will learn about the last two vowel teams here, AW and AU, which make the sound ah. AW and AU make the ah sound. Use the AW mostly in the middle and at the end of a word. Let's take a look here. Ah, paw. Ah, fawn. Draw, draw. Straw. Hawk. You can see the AW spelling pattern is always at the end or in the middle of the word. Use AU at the beginning and the middle of a word. Let's look at the AU words. Faucet, August, cause, haul, and launch. You can see this spelling pattern is always at the beginning or in the middle of a word. Let's go to page 54 in your spelling station. Use the spelling pattern AU at the beginning or in the middle of the words for the ah sound. Let's read the words in the word bank. Remember, you can use the dictionary tool if you're not sure of the meaning of any of these words. Author, August, dinosaur, astronaut, pause, haul, taught, autumn, sauce, launch. I'm not sure about the meaning of this word taught, so I'm going to use the dictionary to look it up. T-A-U-T. Taut is an adjective that means stretched or pulled tight, not slack. A synonym of taut is tight. Let's look at your activity at the bottom of page 54. Complete the sentences using AW words. The wrote a new story. Don't forget to use your word bank to help you. B. The went to the moon. C. The month after July is D. A comma means you should E. Dad pulled the tent strings so they were Watch out. Depending on your accent, you might hear the spelling pattern ah as an or sound instead of an aw sound. Let's head to page 55. Read the words in the word bank with me. Saw, draw, yawn, crawl, jaw, thaw, straw, paw, awful, shawl. I'll read the exercise 3A through E for you. A. The baby used his hands and knees to B. The traffic jam was C. I a butterfly. D. I wrapped up warm in a E. I put a in my drink.